Welcome, wanderers and seekers of wisdom. You've just discovered lost knowledge unlocked. Picture a hidden library filled with dusty tomes and ancient scrolls. Each page whispers stories long forgotten, waiting to be rediscovered. Here, we journey through time, unveiling the mysteries of the past to illuminate our present. From the secrets of lost civilizations to the wonders of forgotten inventions, we unlock knowledge that has been hidden for centuries. Join us as we dive into the unknown, where curiosity leads the way and every discovery sparks a new adventure. Lost knowledge unlocked, where every story opens a door to a world of wonder. Subscribe now and let the journey begin. Have you ever noticed how often the number 12 appears in your life? From clocks to eggs, it's everywhere. It's not just a random quirk. 12 echoes through history and across cultures. This number is a quiet constant, shaping how we measure time, space, and even the divine. Why 12? The answer lies in a story that stretches from ancient farmers to astronomers, from the stars above to the hands we use to count. 12 is woven into our calendars. 12 months in a year, two 12-hour halves in a day. It's found in ancient tales, modern juries, and sacred texts. Its mathematical elegance and astronomical roots made it indispensable to our ancestors. 12 helped build calendars, divide land, and make sense of the cosmos. It became sacred, a symbol of completeness and cosmic order. As we explore, we'll see how 12 emerged from practical needs and cosmic observations. We'll trace its journey from Babylonian markets to Greek temples and world religions. The story of 12 is the story of humanity's quest for order in a chaotic universe. It's how we learned to measure our world and found a number that felt almost cosmic in its perfection. Let's uncover the remarkable legacy of 12. Most of us count to 10 on our fingers, but ancient cultures like the Babylonians and Egyptians had a clever twist. Using the thumb as a pointer, they counted the 3 segments on each of the other 4 fingers, reaching 12 on one hand. This base 12 or duodecimal system was more than a curiosity, it was practical genius. 12 is highly composite. It divides evenly by 2, 3, 4 and 6, making it perfect for trade and measurement. Compare that to 10, which only divides cleanly by 2 and 5. Imagine you're an ancient merchant. A crate of 12 items can be split in halves, thirds, quarters or sixths. No messy fractions. This made commerce, building and farming much simpler. The base 12 system, born from finger counting, was a powerful tool for early societies. Counting to 12 wasn't arbitrary. It was a discovery that brought order and efficiency. It was easy to manage physically and mathematically superior for real-world problems. This is the first key to why 12 became so deeply embedded in our culture. 12 wasn't just a number, it was a solution. It shaped the way we counted, traded and organized our world. The logic of 12 was irresistible to our ancestors. Our ancestors looked to the sky for guidance, and the heavens revealed a pattern. The moon cycles through its phases about 12 times each year. This celestial rhythm gave rise to the earliest lunar calendars, 12 months marking a year. 12 wasn't invented, it was observed in the sky's natural order. The sun governed the seasons, the moon divided the year into 12 manageable parts. This cosmic structure allowed societies to schedule festivals, religious ceremonies and agricultural work. The year gained a predictable pattern, uniting communities around a shared sense of time. Even as more accurate solar calendars emerged, the tradition of 12 months endured. The Romans, for example, shifted from a 10-month calendar to 12, aligning with the seasons. 12 became synonymous with a complete cycle, a finished year. The sky's message was clear: 12 is the fundamental unit of time. This astronomical foundation elevated 12 to a number of cosmic significance. It wasn't just useful, it felt destined. 12 became the heartbeat of the calendar and the cosmos. Ancient astronomers noticed the sun, moon and planets traveled along a path, the ecliptic, divided into 12 sections, each marked by a constellation. These became the 12 signs of the zodiac, mapping the year's journey through the sky. This division was both scientific and mystical, giving structure to time and space. The sun's position in a constellation marked the season, adding another layer to the calendar. The Babylonians, masters of astronomy, used this 12-fold system for both science and religion. Astrology was born from this cosmic framework, spreading to Egypt, Greece and Rome. The 12 signs became a shared language for fate, personality and time. 12 symbolized cosmic completeness, 12 months, 12 houses in the sky. The universe seemed built on a duodecimal blueprint. 12 was no longer just a number, it was the key to understanding the cosmos. It became a symbol of order, connecting the heavens and life on Earth. When a number organizes the cosmos, it's only natural for it to become sacred. Across cultures, 12 became a symbol of spiritual completeness and divine authority. The Greeks had 12 Olympians, Norse mythology, 12 sons of Odin, Egypt, 12 disciples of Ra. In Judaism, 12 tribes of Israel, in Christianity, 12 apostles, in Shia Islam, 12 imams. Even Buddhism features the 12 links of dependent origination. 12 signified a perfect, divinely sanctioned whole, a foundation for faith and governance. It became the number of sacred organization, a stamp of celestial approval. Across religions, 12 is a symbol of spiritual order and completeness, the divine and the cosmic, united by a dozen. 12's cosmic and sacred status filtered into daily life, shaping how societies measured, governed and traded. The Babylonians divided day and night into 12 hours each, while our clocks run from 1 to 12. This ancient choice still dictates our daily rhythm. Legal systems adopted 12 for juries, balancing representation and deliberation. The Roman law of the 12 tables set a precedent for justice. In trade, 12's divisibility made it ideal. 12 inches in a foot, goods sold by the dozen or the gross. Construction, craftsmanship and commerce all relied on 12 for easy division. 12 became the silent organizer of society. Its influence is so deep we barely notice it. 12 built the frameworks of civilization. It's the number that made society work. Despite the rise of the metric system and decimal thinking, 12 endures. Our clocks, calendars and commerce still revolve around it. No metric clock has replaced the 12-hour cycle. 12 months remain the standard. We buy eggs and donuts by the dozen, and the gross, 12 dozens, remains a wholesale staple. 12's practicality and sense of completeness keep it alive. Once a system works, it's hard to change. 12 became part of civilization's operating system. It survived empires and new technologies because it still serves a purpose. The past lives on in every dozen we count. 12 is a living legacy, shaping our world today. 12's journey from ancient counting to modern life is a story of practicality meeting symbolism. Its mathematical properties made it indispensable for builders, merchants and astronomers. But its staying power comes from its cosmic and spiritual resonance. Today, 12 appears in unexpected places, 12 function keys on keyboards, 12 notes in the chromatic musical scale. Even physics and harmony seem to favor 12. In stories, 12 signals completeness, 12 labors of Hercules, 12 districts in the Hunger Games. We instinctively use 12 to create order and structure in fiction and reality. Numbers are more than tools, they're symbols with deep meaning. 12 bridges the rational and the mystical, the practical and the poetic. It connects buying eggs to the dance of the zodiac. 12 is a companion on humanity's journey of discovery. The story of 12 is a thread connecting cultures and eras. Our ancestors from Egypt to Europe all looked to the same sky and found 12. This shared heritage reminds us of our common origins and needs. 12 is not just a cultural quirk, it's a universal solution. It reveals our desire for order, harmony and completeness. 12 connects past to present, practical to spiritual, and people to each other. It's a universal language, spoken in the logic of numbers. The journey of 12 began with a thumb and a finger, and mapped the cosmos. 12 is a quiet constant, binding the tapestry of civilization into a single, elegant whole. If you don't like mainstream stories but love hidden truths, then hit subscribe and join us. Welcome to Lost Knowledge Unlocked. Here, we delve into history's forgotten corners and uncover hidden gems from science and philosophy. If you've enjoyed our journey today, don't forget to like and comment below. Now, for the real treasure, hit that subscribe button. Stay curious, stay open-minded, and join us in our quest to unlock the world's lost knowledge. And remember, every like, comment, and subscription helps us bring more untold stories to light. Keep exploring, and let's unlock the secrets together.